A wanted man on a bicycle decides biting and spitting at police is a good idea. It isn't. Here's how it actually plays out under the law.
You didn't use your arm symbol there when you turned. You got your ID on you?
I don't, but I can tell you the numbers off of it.
He's got headlights and taillights as well?
I do. It's not dark yet, so I didn't have one.
Sunset.
I didn't know it.
All the other cars have their headlights on.
Yeah, it's right here in the garage. Charging up.
I got you. What's your social? 2489?
You got probable cause?
Yeah, you don't have headlights, taillights. And when you came off to the curb on the sidewalk, you didn't use your hand signal.
I signaled everything.
No, you didn't.
Valid ID only. Wanted person.
31 break for a social. Showing 15.
Anthony Fletcher, 36-year-old male on a full copy. Status is not valid. He has a 15 out of adult parole. Just let me know if I'm okay to send from him.
Send it. Try to put you in my back.
Let me go get my cigarette.
Nope.
What am I in arrest for?
APA warrant. Stop tensing up. You're in cuffs, dude. Don't play the tough guy game when you're in cuffs.
Please, I'm not.
Yeah, you are. You're tensing up. Get off the bike.
No, please hit this a couple times. I can't step off of it. Hey, come on, man.
Step out. Step off the bike.
Here, I'm gonna put the kickstand down for you so you fall over.
Alright, there you go. Step off of it. Dude, step off the bike. What are we doing? You're in handcuffs, dude. Get off the bike. I gotta double lock them. Let's search them real quick. Loosen up. Okay.
I'm done. I said when I got locked back up, I'll do myself over.
Okay, well, you can't keep yourself in cuffs, so.
Let her go to jail. We'll put you in the seat.
What are you doing?
In there.
Don't try to f***ing bite him. Yep. I got to search him still. Somehow. Man, hold on a second, okay? I'm not worried about your phone right now. Yes, I'll get your phone. Yes.
You've been following me all night looking for a reason.
Absolutely.
Harassment, man.
Nope.
Yeah, you've been following me all fucking night, man.
Yep. Can't help you're in all kinds of places on a bike. You run into
So what? It's a free country. It's daylight.
It is.
I'm
yeah.
white.
You gotta use hand signals. You gotta use hand signals when you come off the curb, just like a
traffic drug area.
It's Chillicothe. It's high traffic drug area everywhere.
Okay.
Not everywhere, just on the east side.
So you're profiling. You're on the east side, you're a drug addict.
Criminal profiling? Yes, that's what we do for our jobs.
It's not criminal profiling. I'm not a criminal.
Yes, you are.
Yeah, I'm out here committing crime.
You have an APA warrant. You're a criminal. Yeah, you're good. Yep. Just like vehicles have to signal, you have to signal as well.
I did see you.
No, you didn't. It's on dash cam. All right.
You want to sit in here like you got some dignity, or you want to
All you gotta do is let me hit my f***ing cigar.
Don't play this big game. You guys put it. Okay.
It's up to you.
Yeah. We'll have a 21. If you could advise to jail, he's also spitting, claiming he's bottle as well.
Not selling drugs. That's cookies. Or we out selling meth.
I haven't ran her yet. Hold on a second. You have warrants or anything, ma'am? How you know this guy?
I met him today.
Put him right for additional DS. When you're on your bike, you also have to use hand arm signals, just like I told him. Okay. I don't know where he thought. You're good to go, ma'am. Whenever you're ready. I mean, yeah, I'm sure. Can she take your bike? Can she take your bike, or do you want us to just leave it here?
Call my brother.
He said call his brother. You want your brother?
Hey, tell him, man, I'm on.
Officers stop him for basic equipment violations. No lights, no hand signals. A records check turns up an active warrant and invalid parole status. First question, was the stop itself legal? Under Terry v. Ohio, officers only need reasonable suspicion of a violation and equipment problems clear that bar easily. He claims he's being profiled for riding through a known drug corridor. In Illinois v. Wardlow, a high crime area can be one factor in reasonable suspicion, but never the only one. Here, the independent equipment violations do the real work. The profiling claim doesn't hold up. Once dispatch confirms the warrant, the arrest needs no further justification. A valid warrant is enough on its own. Notice something missing. No Miranda warning before the search. Under Miranda v. Arizona from 1966, warnings are only required before custodial interrogation, not before a search. And under Berkemer v. McCarty from 1984, routine questions during a stop don't trigger Miranda at all. So the missing warning here isn't actually a constitutional problem. Once he's under arrest, officers are legally allowed to search his person. That's search incident to arrest standard procedure.
Hey, Small, you want cop? Hey, that's why you came up from behind. You didn't come up to me face to face, bitch. You heard me, faggot.
What is it? What is it?
I'm gonna kill you.
Are you gonna kill him?
That's what the fuck I said.
Good luck.
I'm gonna get one of them guards. Whoever the fuck I come in contact with, killing them.
Okay.
My life is over, man.
Hey, we're just trying to he's advising any jailer he comes into contact with, he's going to.
Well, that sounds like three charges. Resisting arrest, aggravated missing. What's that?
Then he escalates everything himself, tensing up, resisting the cuffs, and trying to bite the officer. That single act can turn a routine warrant arrest into a felony. Biting or spitting on an officer is typically charged as assault on a peace officer, a distinct, more serious offense. He also threatens on camera to kill any jailer he encounters. A specific intentional threat like that can support its own separate charge on top of resisting arrest. Meanwhile, his companion is cited separately for her own signal violation, based on the officer's direct observation of her not his conduct.
Giving him the phone number would be helpful.
Don't worry about it. I'm not dealing with him anymore. You can take the bike.
Where's his phone at? You don't need
He
to be.
doesn't have one.
Oh, was that your phone that
That
he
was
had?
my phone.
Okay. Yeah, probably not a good idea to be in contact with him anymore. I would imagine.
Probably not the.
I'm gonna pull up the.
My body camera wasn't on either, so hopefully yours was.
Yeah,
Do I need to have this? What?
My dash cam was.
Yeah. Just food?
So far, I haven't got all the way through here yet. I pulled a knife out of the bottom of this box. So this is got stashed keys. Keys at the bottom.
It's kind of weird. We'll be in our cars. So would the Joe not take that? I don't know. Stuff this
I wonder if he's out here trying to fucking hoe girls out, maybe.
Right.
Got fucking women's shit in here, vape.
And she didn't seem too happy to be with him anyway. What for? Yeah, he's spitting everything on us. Threatening to kill us, kill the jailers. I'd say he was trying to hoe some women out. That's what he was trying to do. Yeah. I don't know what he thought was going to happen when he just stood there on a bike. Like, okay, we'll just pick you up, buddy.
He didn't weigh anything, did he?
No. Either he didn't weigh anything or we're pretty strong. Yeah.
Yeah, he's got a few coming to him.
Can't do it no more. Can't do it no more.
I'm sorry.
Sorry, sir, I couldn't hear you. What is it?
If what I said was intended for you, you would have heard it.
What is it?
If what I said was intended for you, you would have heard it.
Well, you were yelling at me earlier, I couldn't hear it, and it was intended for me, so I wasn't sure.
Oh!
We got our mystery guy.
Oh, Anthony Fisher. We got him a while back. I on TV there at John Bugs. Me and Wright did.
Well, he tried to be all tough once we got him in handcuffs. And,
Where's he at? The park.
Barbara Sandlin was heading that way on a bicycle too on Water Street. Right when we marked out with him. She's got a green T-shirt on and a ball cap, or green jacket and a ball cap. I think she was heading that way on Water. It was like a green sweater or windbreaker or something. I was getting ready to nail her when you marked out with him. So.
Y'all good back there, Ryan?
This is his hat, right? Yep.
Anything in your pocket's gonna
He
cover
missed.
the
You can't hit that either.
Find out. What was it?
Stick your hand in there and find out. Probably don't I'm going to.
I felt it for him.
APA, what else?
Probably the resisting and then the menacing. Probably the menacing for menacing on law enforcement. And then what else was there? There was another one. I don't know if it would be or not. To be honest, I don't think so. It might be because he's threatening.
Right.
Scoring time. Officers 8 out of 10. They stayed calm and controlled a suspect actively trying to injure them. Subject 1 out of 10. 0 cooperation plus biting and death threats over a routine bike stop. Lesson learned: compliance costs nothing. Resistance, especially biting or threats, turns a manageable arrest into new felony charges. He was ultimately charged with resisting arrest and assault on a peace officer. Drop your take in the comments and subscribe for more real body cam breakdowns.